Hey YouTube, welcome back to our next Java tutorial, and today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using math operators and logical operators. Now these are pretty simple and basic and straightforward, so let's try to get through this quick and move on to more important stuff. So first thing we have to do is we have to import our scanner class. Import java.util.scanner. Now I want to say real fast, I'm sorry for not bringing my new keyboard. I had it at home and I didn't bring it for where I record, so now I'm kind of stuck without it. So I'm going to be using this. I'll promise I'll type softer though, so yeah. Let's jump right in. Let's make our scanner object, scanner equals new scanner. I know I'm not typing soft now, but I mean, come on. I'm just typing stupid stuff right now. Next thing we need to do though is we need to declare an age in this tutorial. So int age equals 20, let's just say. And we need to tell the user what to do. So now you might be wondering, where's our variable for our output or for our input? And it's pretty simple. I'll show you how to do that. There's a quick little tip I want to show you guys. So we're going to tell the user, type in your age. Next thing we need to do is we need to tell the user what to type in. But we can't input it anywhere until we have an integer we can input it to. So how do we do that? We type it all on one line. So int input equals scan.nextInt. And out of parentheses, done. There you go. So now that's how you type in the integer and how to tell the user, or yeah, pretty much tell the computer that the user is typing in something all in one line. Next thing we need to do is I'm going to be showing you how to basically use the and or operators. So and or operators are your two logical operators. Now I'll just type them out and show you. It's easier to show you than explain it. So we're going to tell the computer if age is less than 20 and the way we represent the word and is these two ampersand signs, and it's shift 7 to find that key if you don't know where it is and you're kind of new to computer programming. You use that a lot. In every other programming language like C++, C#, and all those, you use the same operator, so you kind of get used to it after a while. So yeah, shift 7 is where you find that. So age is less than 20, and I'm going to say age, or no, I'm sorry, input equals 5, and I should have said input. So yeah, so if, that's not gonna work, I'm sorry, let's say 21. So if age is less than input and input equals 21, then what do we want the computer to do? We want to say system.println, how about you can legally have fun at parties. And there we go. Although it's fun to not do it legally. Just kidding. Yeah, so that's how you use the AND operator. So pretty much both of these executable statements have to be true in order for this to happen. So I'm going to run that, show you real fast, and I'm just going to type in the number 21 for this to work. 21, you can legally have fun at parties. There you go. Next thing I want to show you is the OR operator. Now, OR is pretty similar to AND, except only one of these have to be true to work. So the way I'm going to do that is type in the word OR. But how do you do that? There's a key right above your enter key that has a backslash. If you hold shift and hit that backslash key, you'll get these two straight lines, and now those two straight lines represent the word OR. Now, yeah, that's pretty simple and straightforward. So now if I run this again and type in the word, or the number, let's just say 19 for sake. Oh, I'm sorry. I should have typed in a number. I'm just going to change the code around. So let's say input is less than age. I just word it like, how do I word it like that just to make it easier? So yeah, you're saying if input is less than age or input is equal to 21. Yeah. So there we go. Simple as that. So now we have two different things. Before it was just saying if the number is greater than 20 in both areas. So yeah, that wouldn't have been helpful. So let's just say the word 12. There you go. You can legally have fun at parties. Not really, but I didn't really feel like changing that statement. Anyways, yeah, so that's how you use and or as a operator. So basically this allows you to type in two scenarios all on the same line. So you don't have to write a billion if statements in order for this to work. Next thing to do, we have to go over math operators, and those are pretty simple. Now, I'm just going to get rid of this and or crap and kind of show you all the different ones. So if input is greater than or less than age, then block do something. What we can also do is we can do less than or equal to age. So now we're saying in 9 or 20 or under. So I'm going to run that, show you real fast. I'll say 20, oops, not there, 20, and I'll run it again, do it 19. 19, there you go. Same thing. So now you can do greater than or equal to, and those are the same thing, so 20 or above. Now, the last ones that you probably already know are less than or greater than. Oh, yeah, less than or greater than. And yeah, that's pretty simple. Now there's one more that I should probably show you guys, and it's the non-equal to. Now, the way we represent non-equal to is not and then the sign equal, or exclamation point and the sign equal. And that pretty much means as long as it's non-equal to it, it will do this. Now, there's a few little logical things I need to show you guys. Now, if I were to put a parenthesis around this statement, Java wouldn't care if I did that. Basically, it's kind of like PEMDAS where you have parentheses. The computer will do PEMDAS basically for you. Java will do that. So if you type in, a mathematical equation with plus, times, minus, and all that, it will do it in the order it's supposed to. But now the thing is, parentheses kind of act the same way. So what you can do is if I were to do not there, what this is saying is not non-equal to, and that's pretty much saying equal to. So ready, if I type in the word 20, this will work. Now, that kind of sounded confusing. Let's just do that, yeah. See how that worked? Because pretty much what you're saying is if not input is not equal to age, which is the same thing as saying input is equal to age, then do this. Now, you won't really see that unless you're trying to do something very specific, but the problem is on AP tests or a computer science test, they'll do that to screw you up. So I figured I'd include that in there just for people that are taking computer science. And yeah, that's pretty much math and logical operators. Now, stay tuned for my next tutorial. I'm going to jump into loops, I believe. I'm going to be starting off with for loops, so just stay tuned and watch my next tutorial, guys. Peace out.